Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Keep in mind that out of all the crypto stocks, right? Out of the miners, Bit Digital, Riot, Mara, SOS, Bitfarms. I have a huge position in Bitfarms. My position's like 30K, but but I did buy a bunch of Riot, and I also bought a bunch of Bit Digital calls. So I bought 4 calls. It's not like a heavy amount, but my break even is 11.55, and that might actually get hit today, depending on the movement on Bitcoin and everything else. But these are long dated calls, right? These calls are they don't expire until next year February. So I'm gonna be holding these. I fully expect, if Bitcoin goes back up to 60K, I fully expect Bit Digital to not only hit 17 again, which was the high of August, but completely blow that out of the water and go back up to closer to 26, possibly $28, maybe fully surpass that. And I think that's 100% a possibility. So technically I am holding 400 shares of Bit Digital. More than likely, if it does go back up to here, I mean, just on face value, what's 30 times 400? I'm so bad at math right now, man. 30 times 400, 4 times 3, 12, like, is that 30, like 12,000 bucks? I actually don't know. Buy. Let me see. Limit order, 28 bucks. High limit, off, whatever. Let me see. This 400. It'd be, oh, there we go. 11,000. So if we do actually end up reaching, highs of 28 bucks, like what Bit did back in February, my position alone is going to be worth it's going to be worth like $11,000 minimum. That's just on face value, right? That's not accounting for premium increase, for IV increase, and for time increase. So I can easily see this be worth closer to maybe like $13,000-$14,000, and that would be off of an A52 position. But again, this really depends a lot on Bitcoin continuing its move up, right? And the reason why I really like Bit Digital is because their market cap is extremely low. Out of every single crypto stock, SOS, Riot, Bitfarms, all those, it still has the lowest market cap right now at $500 million. Every single other one is either $1 billion or it's at $3 billion. If we do see Bitcoin rally to 60K again, right, to previous all-time highs, I can definitely see the market cap of BTBT run to something like $2 billion. So I would not be surprised if this actually goes to something like 39, like 40 bucks possibly. So like a 4x from here, this would go to 40 bucks. And then, possibly before February, I don't know yet. But every single time I've seen crypto stocks move, Bit Digital is always at the top, consistently moving 20%, 8%, whatever. But it's beating every single other crypto stock. And I think an easy number 2 would more than likely be Bitfarms. Easy number 3 is HUT, and then Riot. And then I would not even touch SOS because they are a China miner. And all crypto transactions in China from the central bank are officially illegal. So I would not touch anything Chinese in the market that's related to Bitcoin. So I'll see you guys later. Just a quick position update. Bye-bye.